Hello, and welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to see how you can automatically assign leads to sales managers based on lead score. Automating this process is important because not all leads are equal. High-value leads require immediate attention and should be handled by experienced team members like sales managers. If you do this manually, there's always the risk of delays or errors, but automation ensures the right leads reach the right people at the right time. First, let's look at the leads object that we'll be working with. Here you can see the list of lead records. Each lead has a column called lead score, which indicates how promising that lead is based on predefined criteria like engagement, interest, budget, or profile fit. You'll also notice a column called assigned user, which shows who is responsible for that lead. Now, if a lead score is updated to more than 80, the system will automatically assign it to the sales manager. For example, I'll update this lead score to 85, and you can see that the lead assignee instantly changes to Prashanth Dubey, our sales manager. Let's look at how this automation flow is configured. The flow begins with a trigger. I've used the FromObject node and set the object type as dynamic object because leads are managed inside the leads object, which is dynamic. I've chosen leads as the object, and under record action, I've selected update. That means the automation gets triggered whenever a lead record is updated. Once triggered, I want the system to check the lead score. To do that, I've used the if-value node. I loaded the leads object, selected the lead score field, and set the condition to check whether the value is greater than 80. Leads crossing this threshold are often considered high value and need to be assigned to a sales manager. Now that the condition is set, I want these high-value leads to be reassigned to a sales manager. For this, I use the Assign node, which works along with the People node. In the People node, I selected User as the people type and chose Prashanth Dubey, who is my sales manager, as the specific user to whom these leads should be assigned. This ensures the lead goes directly to the right person without delay. Finally, I close the flow with an End node. This way, you save time, reduce manual effort, and ensure that your best leads are handled by the most capable people.